Get unlimited shopping and shipping experience with ShipToBox BuyForMe service. We buy for you, we deliver to you, we'll take care of all. Let's learn how to make an order with BuyForMe service. You can visit any USA online shopping stores like 6pm, Amazon, Nike, Walmart, etc. Copy your desired item's link and paste it here. Then select the category of your item with color and size if applicable. Closely check the price and quantity and click on the Add Item button. From here, select your destination country, for example, United Kingdom. You can see we have BuyForMe and BFM Plus services. BuyForMe Plus is the door-to-door service that is only available for Saudi Arabia now. You can check the price and if you have any coupon or promo code, use that to get some discounts. Then click the Next button. If you have registered with us, just log in, otherwise click on the Sign Up. Enter your email address, first name, last name, and password. Then check the box, and click on the Sign Up button. From here you can see your item details. Then select your payment method at any special note if you have, then click to the Submit Order. Your order will be processed and one of our customer support team members will reach you soon. Thanks for watching this video.